Good morning, students. Today we will start the last category of the accounting ratios, that is profitability ratio और income ratios. कैटेगरी को हम प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी रेशोज़ या इनकम रेशोज़ कहते हैं. इन दिस प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी रेशोज़ आवर फर्स्ट रेशो इज़ जीपी रेशो, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशो, जीपी रेशो. लास्ट कैटेगरी दैट इज़ प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी रेशो. And first is gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio equals to gross profit upon net revenue from operations, means net sales, into 100. Now how we find net revenue from operations, means net sales. Net sales equals to cost of revenue from operation plus gross profit. Now this is the question, how to find cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue from operation equals to opening inventory. स्टार्टिंग में हमारे पास स्टॉक कितना था, ओपनिंग इन्वेंट्री प्लस परचेजेस और माइनस परचेज रिटर्न plus direct expenses like carriage, wages, minus closing inventory. Now see question 90, page 5.78. Page 5.78, question number 90. In this question, opening inventories 50,000, purchases 1,50,000, return outwards means purchase returns 20,000, wages 10,000, revenue from operations sales 2,50,000, closing inventory 40,000. First of all, we have to find cost of revenue from operations. So use this formula, cost of revenue from operations, opening inventory plus purchases minus purchase returns and plus direct expenses minus closing inventories. In this, put the values of opening inventory. In question it is given 50,000 plus purchases it is 1,50,000 minus returns outward means purchase returns 20,000 and direct expenses, if it is given in the question, these are wages. Wages are direct expenses, so put rupees 10,000 in the column of direct expenses. Now subtract closing inventory, it is given in the question 40,000. So 2,10,000 minus 60,000, we get 1,50,000. ये हमें मिलेगा 1,50,000. It is cost of revenue from operations. Now come to gross profit. Sales, net sales, it is given in the question. Revenue for operation is 2,50,000, means sales हमारी 2,50,000 है और cost of revenue है 1,50,000. So gross profit equals to revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operations. 250 minus 150, it is rupees 1 lakh. Gross profit is rupees 1 lakh. Now come to GP ratio, gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio equals to gross profit upon RFO into 100. Gross profit 1 lakh, RFO net sales, it is rupees, it is given in the question is rupees 2,50,000 into 100, we get approx, not approx, exactly 40%. So gross profit is 40% in this question. In this way we find GP ratio, which is first ratio in the last category of accounting ratios. Last category, it is profitability ratios, or we can say income ratios. In this category our first ratio is GP ratio, and tomorrow we will discuss about the next ratio, that is operating ratio. That's all for today. Thanks.